We're waiting on the plane. It's almost here.
It's actually, the plane is right there.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
Hey, oh, let's go, let's go.
We got our car, we're ready to go. Pretty solid. Heading down, getting the rental car, going over to the resort, and then getting some food. That's the plan.
We'll shine brighter than the stars. Hey, oh, let's go, let's go. Hey, oh, let's go, let's go. Hey, oh, let's go.
Oh, day one, baby. Let's go. Zion National Park, first day. And we're about to get some breakfast. Heck yeah. So we're going to this really sketchy restaurant right now for breakfast. $3.99 breakfast, this place. Huh? That may have been one of the most awkward encounters I've ever had in my life. We didn't eat there. That was so weird.
I was definitely on drugs in that place.
Oh, for sure.
I was totally gonna eat that food.
So we're going to Zion National Park right now.
Done some hikes before. We wasn't prepared. We should have stretched.
Future reference, definitely stretch before you go on a hike in a place like this. So Taylor took off up there.
Oh, chain ended. Oh no.
Oh my goodness. This is really, really steep. Check it out. Bro.
Not that bad.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
This is not bad at all. This is pretty bad. Slow motion?
No.
Oh.
Yeah. Siege. Riley. Taz.
So we're about to hit this Arizona hot springs right now. We're going. This is about a 3 mile hike to get there, and then a 3 mile hike back. Round trip 6 miles. Supposedly it's strenuous, so we're gonna find out. Also, we're using the GoPro. Hope the audio is okay. Let's get it.
Every single evening, thought you never see me again. Looks can be deceiving. When they hear the sound of the drum, they'll be saying, oh Lord, here they come. Yeah, here we come.
We're at the hot springs. We just made it here.
Here we come.
We're gonna change real quick and then
Here we come. Here we come. I used to think that people die because they wicked now.
we're basically soaking in some hot springs. It's like
How hot is it here?
I'd say it's probably 110,
Yeah.
somewhere in there, 110.
Coming, I predicted, but y'all wouldn't listen. No, you can't protect your riches if you never burn bridges. Flip pages, went places, made changes, still dangerous. Now I'm back, altercation, hold still. I make it painless how it feel, baby. When you say you love me, is it real, baby? Full speed, both hands on the wheel, baby. Young Taz coming from the Mobile, baby. You know the drill, baby. Yeah. And when you hear the sound of the drum, we'll be saying, here we come. Yeah, here we come.
Prime lens, so I can't zoom in. Where are we at, Taylor?
We're at the Hoover Dam. What are we doing in Hoover Dam, Marcus?
Product placement.
We're shooting some product out here. Okay, so update, we're in Hoover Dam right now, and we may or may not have talked to Bang Energy right here. We did. And we're taking some photos for them on our Western adventures, me and this guy. And Taylor's here to help. We're at the Hoover Dam. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is so much fun. I just want to jump off. Cut it. He's right there. I don't know if my hand's catching up with him around your camera or not.
Definitely not. Oh,
I just got, it's gonna focus, watch. No, it'll focus.
there it is.
I just got really, really dizzy.
It's crazy though. That's possibly the thumbnail to any video you make.
Really?
I have to pee.
It's a pee really bad?
Cut it.
Cut it. We were just discussing how our depth perception has been changed over this course of this trip. We can't tell where anything's at.
Fun fact, did you know the Hoover Dam was named after Herbert Clark Hoover?
Who's that?
He's the
guy that this Hoover Dam is
He's
named
the
after.
5th president of the United States. No, that's not right. He's the, hold on. He's the 31st president of the United States.
What's the United States?
That's a much deeper conversation that we can have.
Cut. Oh.
Big old crevice.
Big old crevice.
More rocks, dirt.
More rocks.
Dirt and dirt. Dirty dust, dirt,
This
dust.
is pretty cool.
Dirty rocks and dust.
Wait,
and rocks
hold
and
on.
rocks.
Let's jump. Oh. I know you want to.
So,
Oh, good morning, everyone.
we're going another night in Vegas.
We're going to Death Valley this morning, fueled by Bang Energy.
So if this makes it into the video, it means we probably found something cool. Could be a cartel hideout, could be an old mine, could be an ISIS compound,
We don't know,
could be nothing.
but we're going up there. Also, we brought these binoculars. We actually used it, so that's pretty cool. Look at this. I should not be vlogging right now, but I am. Because I'm the vlogging master. Definitely just cut my finger on something. Hopefully, it wasn't rusty. Made it into this crazy little tunnel.
You should have seen the pathway to take to get back here. This is like some Goonies stuff.
There's huge like tunnels. All right, get a picture real quick. We found some wild donkeys.
You gotta open up your hand, open it, and they grab it with their lips.
So guys, we are in the middle of the desert. Check it out. We're going to a big sand dune up that way. So yeah, that's the plan. There's Taylor up there.